Hello friends, welcome to my channel Enlighten Your GK with UV. So in today's video we will take a look at best GK questions about PM Narendra Modi. But before that, let me tell you, at the end of video I will tell you who gave fastest answer of previous video's bonus question. So please watch till end. So without any delay, let's start. So first question in this video is, with 41.7 million followers, Mr. Narendra Modi is most popular global leader on which social media platform? A. Twitter, B. Facebook, C. Instagram or D. YouTube. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is option B. Facebook. Question number 2 is, PM Narendra Modi was awarded with Global Goalkeeper Award from Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation for which program? A. Digital India, B. Swachh Bharat Mission, C. Beti Bachao Beti Padhao or D. Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is option B. Swachh Bharat Mission. Question number 3 is, which book written in 2013 by Kingshak Nag is dedicated to Mr. Narendra Modi? A. The Perfect Leader, B. Narendra Modi, The Man, The Times, C. Modi, Wheels of Change or D. The Namo Story, A Political Life. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is option D, The Namo Story, A Political Life. Question number 4 is, PM Narendra Modi featured with Bear Grylls in Man vs. Wild in which national park? A. Kaziranga National Park, B. Jim Corbett National Park, C. Salim Ali Wildlife Sanctuary or D. Gir National Park. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is option B, Jim Corbett National Park. Question number 5 is, which short film dedicated to PM Narendra Modi won National Award for Best Non-Feature Film on Family Welfare? A. PM Narendra Modi, B. Namo, Story of a Great Man, C. Chalo Jeete Hain or D. None of these. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is option C, Chalo Jeete Hain. Question number 6 is, which book written by PM Narendra Modi in Gujarati describe events during emergency? A. Jyoti Punch, B. Sangharsh Mein Desh, C. Sangharsh Mein Gujarat or D. None of these. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is option C, Sangharsh Mein Gujarat. Moving on to next question. Question number 7 is, PM Narendra Modi replaced which institution by a new institution, Niti Aayog, in 2015? A. National Institute of Ayurveda, B. Moraji Desai National Institute of Yoga, C. Planning Commission of India or D. Indian Bureau of Planning. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is option C, Planning Commission of India. Moving on to next question. Question number 8 is, which collection of poems written by PM Narendra Modi in Gujarati was translated in English by Ravi Mantha? A. Exam Warriors, B. Convenient Action Continuity for Change, C. Social Harmony or D. A Journey. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is Option D, a journey. Question number 9 is PM Narendra Modi was awarded with which country's highest civilian honor on 12 April 2019? A. Russia, B. Palestine, C. Afghanistan, or D. Maldives. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is option A, Russia. And the name of honor is Order of St. Andrew. Question number 10 is which species of flower is named after PM Narendra Modi by country of Israel? A. Magnolia, B. Chrysanthemum, C. Lavender, or D. Delphinium. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is option B, chrysanthemum. So let's move to bonus question of this video. So now it's time for bonus question, but before that let me give you answer of previous video's bonus question. And it was which temple built in 1998 has world's largest Bhagavad Gita? And the correct answer is ISKCON Temple of Delhi. And the correct answer was given by All Around Bharat. So let's move to bonus question of this video. And it is which banking technology was launched by PM Narendra Modi in Singapore? So friends, let me know your answers in comment box. And for such more interesting GK videos, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to never miss any notification. So let's meet in next video. Till then, goodbye.